Okay guys, got a new Samsung Smart TV, 50 inches, you don't really care because this is unboxing. Let's get this thing open. My mom said I could undo the tape by hand, so here. Boom. Okay, picked this up at Best Buy on sale. So right on top we have the setup guide. I don't think that's gonna matter that much. Let's see. So shows you how unpack, assemble, because I was gonna forget to assemble it. We have this plate. Let me open this. Pretty sure this is what helps hold the stand on. Okay. Plastic. There are some screws on the bottom. Don't want to lose those, I assume. Next, we have a giant piece of styrofoam that is going to reveal the TV. Okay. Before we get the TV out, we have a base plate. This base plate, some metal. Let me see here. Okay, base plate. Pretty standard, I guess. And next we go to the TV. Here's the TV. Going to set that down and lay this on my bed. Then I'll give you guys an overview of what this thing looks like. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we'll go screen up. Okay. Gonna shift you guys over here. From here, here's the TV, all 50 inches of its glory, and gonna start by taking gonna rip that off. Styrofoam. Then we have continued. This thing is pretty freaking big. Okay. Bring you guys around this. So 55 inches, and Energy Guide's got $11 a year. Samsung logo right there with the like plastic wrap. Down here has the power button. That is kind of strange. It's under there. Doesn't look to be anything else on the bottom. We will see if there's anything on this side. Okay, just a width comparison. boom. Here's my hand. I don't know if that's gonna be the best comparison. Boom, boom. It's relatively thin for a big smart TV. Then on the back here, we have several ports. HDMI in 1 and 2, STB, DVI, audio out, LAN, Anten, audio, USB, 2.5 volts of those so you can charge your phone. There's the power cord. I don't know where the power cord is. The mounts for that mount thing I showed you that came out first. And yeah, that unboxing. Ooh, 50-inch Samsung Smart TV. Before I go, I'm going to look through this, see if I forgot anything. See if there's like power cord. Sweet. This is going to be useful. So here we have our cord and our remote. So this can choke babies. So don't have your child open this, I guess. Just get this open. Okay. User guide. We're going to save $120 a month on DirecTV. Should probably do that because DirecTV is awesome. Next, we have our remote. Let's open it up. Pretty standard looking remote. Use it for setup. All the standard buttons you'd come to expect. And runs on 2 AA batteries. I think those are AA. Really long, weird plastic closure. Shut that. Then for the cord, to show you, it has a 90-degree angle plug-in, which is useful. We have this sticky cord thing that helps you sort out the cables. Next, we have some batteries. Actually, these are AAA from Mustang. So, Mustang. And, yep, I'll just give you a quick overview of what we got. We have the TV, of course, remote, cord, manual, batteries, power supply thing. We have a little base plate thing, and then the actual base itself, and some screws. Yep, unboxed Samsung Smart TV, and hopefully there will be a review, maybe, if I remember, coming up soon. So, like, comment, subscribe for questions. See ya.